Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you guys how to make the best fried butterfly shrimp out there. Look at these jumbo shrimp. So be sure to stay tuned to learn, throughout the video to learn an easy, quick recipe how to make restaurant style, super crunchy fried shrimp at home. So I guess let's dive right in. To begin, here are the ingredients that you will need. Also, the list of ingredients and measurements are available in the description below. Flour, cornstarch, breadcrumbs, Panko, Creole Seasoning, eggs, hot sauce, buttermilk, tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, lemon, and last but not least, the star of the show, shrimp. Now it's time to prepare our shrimp. If possible, try to buy your shrimp already peeled and deveined. It will save you a lot of time during the prep work. Also, with our shrimp, we like to keep the tail on to use it as a handle while we bread them or eat them. Lay your shrimp flat and run your knife down the back of your shrimp to create that butterfly effect, like so. But make sure not to cut all the way through. Do this to the rest of your shrimp. Now for our wet batter, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 beaten eggs, 3 tablespoons Creole Seasoning, and 2 tablespoons hot sauce. To be honest, adding hot sauce will not make the shrimp taste spicy. It just gives it more flavor. Mix all together with a whisk to create the wet batter. It's going to look like this when it's done. Now, dump your butterfly shrimp into the wet batter and give everything a good mix. And set the bowl aside. Before we dredge our butterfly shrimp, let's preheat our oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that our shrimp is mixed into wet batter, let's work on our breading. There's different ways you can bread your shrimp, but for this recipe, we are going with a flour coating. For your crispy coating, we will add the following to a bowl. 2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, which will add a little crispiness to it and helps it fry up a little bit lighter. Panko breadcrumbs, which is what will give our fried shrimp a delicate and extra crispy, crunchy texture. And Italian breadcrumbs. Mix it all together. Now, grab your jumbo shrimp and let's dredge them in the flour Panko mix. Make sure every nook and cranny are covered. Pack it in real well. Make sure every shrimp is well coated like so. Here is the coating on the shrimp. Now that all the shrimp are battered, set them aside for a couple of minutes to let them sit and rest before we fry them. Now it's time to fry. Place your jumbo in the basket and give them a hot oil bath. Deep fry at 350 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes top, or until every piece is golden brown or crispy. After it's been in the fryer for about 30 seconds, go ahead and give the shrimp a little shake to make sure they're not sticking to the basket or each other. Just FYI, make sure we don't overcrowd the fryer because this will cool down your oil, which will lead to greasy food. This really is the key to deep frying and not ending with an oily finished product. After 2 to 3 minutes, go ahead and take your shrimp out of the fryer and set them on a wire rack to drain some of the excess oil and dry off a little bit. And then you can repeat this process with more batches. Ooh-wee! I cannot wait to sink my teeth into these shrimp. They're looking so good. Look at the flakes. They're so crunchy looking.
All right, it's time to taste test our food.
Taste test our food and see how it tastes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the best. It's gonna taste good.
Oh yeah, definitely. They look so crunchy and crispy.
Okay.
Just like this one. Ooh, you got it.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers to everybody at home.
I'm gonna go for the cocktail sauce first.
Okay. And I will do tartar sauce.
Super crispy. Perfect bite. It's delicious. I'm gonna go for the tartar sauce now.
It's definitely well seasoned. Perfectly fried. Sweet shrimp. And I'm just gonna try to squeeze a little lemon on top of this. Give it an extra kick. That refreshing kick.
So good. I always have to have a side of fries with my fried shrimp. Because that's how I order at the restaurant. Like, you know, a shrimp basket. So you can, we're not going to show you how to make fries. You can buy fries and fry at home. Wow, it's so good.
Oh yeah. Definitely recommend making this recipe at home.
Make it. Because nobody's going to show you this recipe out there. Only in this video. Go make it.
Oh man. French fries.
You good? 10 out of 10. Thank you for staying throughout the video. If you like what you see, please press the like and subscribe button. Also the bell button, so that way it can notify you each and every time we release a new video. Do you have anything to say to our friends?
Definitely. And also, do comment on what you think about this recipe once you make it.
And leave it in the comment below because we will respond and we appreciate every one of you.
Everyone's feedback, it helps us a lot.
Alrighty
Growing
then.
our channel.
Well, we gotta go because I gotta finish these shrimp and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank guys.
Thank
See you
you.
next time.
Bye.
Peace.